Okay, can I say something kind of honest?
Sure, that sounds serious already.
It's not serious. I just realized something this morning when I looked in the mirror.
Oh no, mirror moments are dangerous.
Exactly. I was like, wow, my skin looks tired. And then I thought, maybe it's not tired. Maybe it's just asking for help.
Your skin is asking for help now?
Yeah, quietly, no drama, just dry, a bit sad.
Okay, now I feel attacked. My skin never talks, but it definitely looks confused.
See, that's why I wanted to talk about this. Skincare sounds like a women topic, but honestly, it's not.
Yeah, I used to think that. Like, skincare is face masks, candles, and relaxing music.
And suddenly, you're not allowed to touch a face cream.
Exactly. But now I'm like, I wash my face with hand soap. That can't be right.
It's very common. And listen, if you're listening to this and your English feels messy, don't worry. Just by listening, your English starts to feel more natural. No grammar books, no boring class.
That's actually true. I'm not even trying and I'm still following.
Good, that's the idea.
So, where do we start? Creams? Water? Magic?
No magic, just simple things. First, skincare is not about beauty, it's about health.
Health. Okay, like eating good food.
Exactly. Your skin is part of your body. It needs care. For women and men, no exceptions.
Even guys who don't care?
Especially them.
Fair enough.
Let's start very simple. Do you use sunscreen?
Sometimes. Like at the beach.
That's what most people say. But sunscreen is not only for the beach.
Really? Even when it's not sunny?
Yes, UV light is still there. It hurts your skin slowly.
Oh, so my skin is tired because of the sun?
Partly, yes. Sunscreen protects your skin. It keeps it young and healthy.
Okay, wait. Protect. That sounds like an important word.
Yes, protect means keep something safe, like a helmet protects your head.
Got it. Sunscreen protects skin.
Perfect.
I always thought sunscreen was extra.
A lot of people think that, but small habits matter.
Small habits, like sleeping?
Yes, sleep is huge for skin.
Okay, then my skin is in trouble.
Why?
I sleep at 2 a.m. most nights.
But your skin repairs itself when you sleep.
Repairs, like fixes itself?
Exactly. Repair means fix something that is not good.
My skin has a night job then.
Yes, but if you don't sleep, it can't work.
So sleep is like free skincare.
Best one.
Okay, food. Everyone talks about food for skin. Is that real?
Very real. What you eat shows on your skin,
Even fruit?
especially fruit.
Which one is good?
Fruits with vitamin C are great, like oranges.
Vitamin C. That's another important word, right?
Yes, vitamin is something your body needs to stay healthy.
Okay, that's easy.
Vitamin C helps your skin look fresh.
So orange juice is skincare now.
In a way, yes.
I like that kind of skincare.
Also, bananas are good, and berries.
Really? I eat bananas all the time.
See, you're already doing something right.
Accidentally healthy.
It happens.
What about water? Everyone says drink water.
Water is basic but powerful.
My skin feels dry when I don't drink enough.
Exactly. Water keeps your skin soft.
Soft, like not hard?
Yes, soft means smooth and not hard.
I'm learning words without trying.
That's the point.
This doesn't feel like a lesson,
Good, it's just a real talk.
and it's kind of relaxing.
That's the good part.
So, last question for now. Is skincare really for men too?
Absolutely. Skin doesn't care if you're a man or a woman.
Fair point.
And honestly, when you take care of your skin, you feel better. And when you feel better, everything feels easier.
Including English.
Exactly. By the way, can I ask you something a bit personal?
That sentence never ends well, but okay.
When was the last time you actually looked at your skin? Like, really looked?
This morning I brushed my teeth.
That doesn't count.
Okay, then no. I just exist. I don't check my face.
Most people don't. They only notice when something is wrong.
Like what?
Dry skin, pimples, or when your face looks tired, even if you slept.
Wait, tired face even after sleep? That's me.
See? That's a common moment.
So what causes that?
Many things: stress, food, sun, and habits.
Habits. That sounds serious.
Not serious, just daily things you do without thinking.
Okay, then I'm probably doing something wrong.
Or many things.
Great.
Let's talk about food again, but in a real way, not eat perfect, never enjoy life.
Thank you. I was scared for a second.
Do you eat fruit every day?
Every day? No, sometimes.
That's already a start.
Does fruit really change skin that much?
Yes, fruit gives your skin vitamins and water.
Okay, vitamins again.
Let's slow it down. One word: nutrient.
Nutrient.
A nutrient is something in food that helps your body.
Like fuel?
Exactly like fuel.
So my skin needs fuel too.
Yes, and bad fuel gives bad results.
So fast food is bad fuel?
Let's just say your skin doesn't love it.
My skin and I need to talk.
Another thing people forget is sugar.
Oh no.
Not never eat sugar, just less.
I didn't eat that cookie. It ate me.
Sure.
What does sugar do to skin?
Too much sugar can make skin look dull.
Dull?
Dull means not bright, not fresh.
Like tired looking.
Exactly.
Okay, food matters, sleep matters, sun matters.
Now here's something most people don't expect.
I'm listening.
Your hands.
My hands?
You touch your face a lot.
I don't think so.
You just touched your face.
Wow, okay.
Hands have dirt and bacteria.
Bacteria?
Very small things that can cause skin problems.
That's not great.
It's normal. Just wash your hands and don't touch your face too much.
That sounds doable.
Skincare should feel doable, not like a full-time job.
I like that.
Can I tell you something funny?
Please do.
I used to think expensive products were the secret.
Really?
Yeah, but simple habits helped more.
That's kind of comforting.
Good skin is not about money, it's about consistency.
Consistency.
Doing something again and again.
Like brushing teeth.
Perfect example.
Okay, what about men specifically? Be honest.
Men's skin needs care too. sometimes even more.
Why more?
Shaving can hurt skin.
Oh, yeah, razor burn.
Exactly.
My neck hates shaving.
Using a simple moisturizer helps.
Moisturizer.
A cream that gives skin water.
Okay, that word is friendly.
Skin likes friendly things.
You know what's weird?
What?
Honestly, this feels like life advice, not skin advice.
Because skin is part of life.
Yeah,
And when you take care of small things, bigger things feel easier.
like English.
You said it, not me.
I'm learning without studying again.
That's how it should feel. Natural, calm, real.
Just like good skin.
Exactly. Before we wrap up, can I ask you one last thing?
I feel like I should say yes.
Do you ever notice how your skin looks on days you feel calm?
Yeah, actually, yes.
It's usually better, right?
Yeah, less tired, less angry.
Angry skin is a thing.
Mine definitely has emotions.
That's because skin reacts to your life, not just products.
Okay, now that sounds important.
Stress changes your body, and your skin shows it.
So when I don't rest, my face tells the truth.
Exactly.
That's kind of scary.
Or kind of helpful.
How?
Your skin is giving you signals.
Signals?
Signals are signs, messages.
Okay, my skin texts me.
Yes, but you keep leaving it on read.
That's accurate.
Let's talk about sleep one more time, but differently.
Okay.
Sleep is not just hours, it's timing.
Timing.
Going to sleep at similar times each night.
So not 10 p.m. today and 3 a.m. tomorrow.
Exactly.
Is there a word for that?
Yes, routine.
Routine.
A routine is something you do in the same way every day.
Like morning coffee.
Perfect.
You know what's funny?
What?
I always thought skincare was about looking good.
And now?
Now it feels more like respect.
I love that word.
Respect?
Treating something well because it matters.
Yeah, that fits.
And it's not about being perfect.
Thank God.
It's about small choices.
Drink water, eat some fruit, sleep better, use sunscreen.
See? You remember everything.
I didn't even study.
That's the best kind of learning.
Can I say something to the people listening?
Of course.
If you're listening to this and thinking, I should take better care of myself, start small.
Very small.
One habit. That's enough.
And if your English feels messy sometimes,
That's okay too.
you don't need to force it.
Just listen. Let it grow.
Language is like skin.
Okay, explain that.
If you're kind to it and patient, it gets better.
That actually makes sense.
I'm really glad you stayed with us until the end.
Yeah, thanks for spending this time with us.
Take care of your skin.
And take care of yourself.
We'll see you soon.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.